Tmux multiple instances of the same session. I've recently converted from gnu-screen to Tmux. I am struggling with one thing. My workflow is something like this. I create a session for each task I am doing at any point in time. That way I can work on any of the end tasks I am doing by attaching to that session. What I was able to do with Screen and not being able to do with Tmux is following. Having multiple instances of the same session open/attached in different windows and working on them at the same time. For example, if I am editing 3 different files, I can have them open in pane 1, 2 and 3 of the same session, and have each instance of the same session with those 3 files open in front of me. I've not been able to arm twist Tmux into letting me do that. Whenever I attach to an existing attached session in Tmux, it replicates the actions I take on any session on the other. I hope I've explained this well. If not, please let me know.
I think you're basically asking how to do Screen X in Tmux. Here's an example. If you don't like the default numerical names when creating a new session, you can pass s_other_name to name it something else.
To achieve what you describe, you might get away with just having different layouts in Tmux, CB+C, which you then split using CB+, %, and you can just have all the things you want for a task in a pane and then context switch using CB+N, EXT, or P, Revius, or using numbers. Also CBZ, is your friend. Interestingly, Tmux and Screen are different in how they deal with multiple views of the same session. In Tmux, both views see exactly the same thing, which lets you do pair programming remotely. In Screen, you can look at different terminals in different views, which lets you share things but work independently, which is possibly useful for using multiple monitors to work on the same command line. I just haven't figured out exactly how yet.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.